Welcome back to the lecture series on Introduction to AWS. As part of this particular lecture series, today we will be having a session on using S3 for static website host. This is considered as your practical number 5 too. So, let us begin. So, what we will be doing over here is we will be creating a bucket first of all, then we will be configuring the bucket properties. Later on we will be uploading a normal HTML page into your S3 bucket and we will be converting it to public access, we will be allowing it. And lastly, how can we stop access from an unauthorized access, that we are going to see in this particular S3. So, let us have a demo on how to host a website on top of S3. So, we are on the dashboard of AWS. Over here I will be searching for S3, click on S3. Now, the first thing is we need to create a bucket. So, what I will be doing is I will be clicking on create bucket. And the bucket name should be unique. So, what I will be doing is I will be naming it as June 4th 2024 S3 website hosting something, and in owner permissions I will be allowing all the ACLs should be enabled. Scroll down, I will firstly allow all the users to have an access to our S3. I acknowledge, that is it. Click on create bucket. Now, what is the bucket we have created? June 4th. Yeah, here we do have our own bucket, June 4th 2024. Select that bucket, open that particular bucket. The second step is, after creating the bucket, we need to set the properties. Click on properties, scroll down to the bottom where you can see static website hosting. Click on edit button over here. Once you click on edit button, just enable your static website hosting. By default it is disabled. Scroll down. Now, what will be your index page? You can have with any name. Let us have with the name as demo.html, and click on save changes. Now, the third point what you need to do is you need to have an HTML page with the name demo. So, what I will be doing is I will be creating a file with the name demo. Opening that, I will be having some HTML code over here. I will have body with body, closing tag, I will have an header, welcome to new website. You can have h1 tag, closing h1 tag. What I will be doing over here is I will be typing as h2 this is a sample hosting only for static web pages. So, what do I mean by this is S3 is a bucket which can host your static web pages, where there is an communication with backend. You cannot use S3. I am storing this as demo.html web page on my desktop and save it. Close. You can see demo.html page. You can see here demo.html page has been created. Now, I will be uploading this demo into my S3 bucket which we have created, that is June 4th 2024. I will be opening this, clicking on upload, which you can see, click on upload, add the files, and which file? Demo file, this one. Now, demo.html has been uploaded, as this is the index page of your web page. So, this thing will be started over here, static website, upload. Once it got uploaded, you need to change the configuration settings. You need to select the page, click on actions, drop down, and just scroll down to the bottom. You will see make public using ACL. So, I had changed the public access rights, make it as public. Once you have made it as public, anyone can access this. Using which particular URL he can access? You need to get into properties itself. Yeah, this is the public URL link through which he can access. Just you can click on this, or you can copy it and you can open. You can see welcome to new website. This is a sample hosting only for static web pages. If you want to stop the access, how to protect your website from an unauthorized access, get back to your S3 dashboard. You can stop from here. You can either stop all the access to your all the buckets from here, or else you can go individually. If you want to do it individually, you need to get into your bucket. Just open the bucket, permissions, you can see the same thing. You can block access from here too. You can click on edit, block all the access permissions and save the changes. Or do you want to confirm it? Yes, I want to confirm it. Click on confirm, save the changes. When you get back to your this thing, when you refresh this page, your access is denied. If you are going to unblock this, you need to edit, save the changes. Yes, I want to confirm it. So, just refresh the page. It will take a bit time, but it will get open. Is my setting is done? Yes, a bit time. Yeah, you can see you do have an access. How can we do it from here? Click on it, click on edit, select. This will block all the buckets. Earlier we have done blocking a single bucket, but if you are making it from here, it means that you are blocking access to your S3 bucket. go back, refresh, you can see access denied. So, that is it from this session. Thank you.